this hairstyle. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I will live in I will love in this hairstyle. Check it out. I will live in I will love in. Yeah. Oh my gosh. How does that look? New Year, it's your babe Asanwa. So for you guys that don't know me, it's Asanwa in the house. In this channel, it's all about hairstyle, fashion, makeup, anything about beauty. Yes, you are on the right spot. I got this hair from Amazon and it comes in a 5-pack. So inside one pack, you get 22 strands of hair. So I use 90 pieces. So, and it's up to you because I want my hair to be full. That's why I put 90 pieces. But if you don't want it full like this, you can use as how many you want. So, but yeah, so this is 90 and this hair is a lightweight. You can't even notice I have 19 pieces on my head because of how light it is. So like this hairstyle. Oh no. So guys, if you love this hairstyle, stay tuned to watch the video. All right babes, let's jump into the video.
We use this ragtail comb to part my hair. My hair is already moisturized and prepared for this hairstyle. So I'm going to part my hair sideways. Then I will use shine and jam for slick parting. I'll part my hair and clip the hair out of the way and brush my hair. I'll be using expression attachment to braid my hair. I will use a small attachment. I will braid my hair first before adding in the attachment, as if I'm doing a feeding braid. So I'm just doing a normal cornrows, and adding attach on this hair will make it look more full and make it have some weight, and it will make the side part, like the place I'm braiding now, to look more beautiful while looking at it. So guys, don't worry if your parting is not clean. We are going to fix it at the end of the hair, so keep watching till the end. I'm done braiding my side parting. I hope you guys can see what I was able to achieve. So I'm going to do individual braids on the other side of my hair, and I'm going to connect it to each other to make it look as if the crochet braids is braided with my hair.
And guys, when braiding the hair, don't braid like this. No, don't braid like this. Try to braid backwards. So in that case, when you loop the crochet braid, it's going to look all right. It's going to be going backwards. But if you braid facing front, the braid will come looking forward. And when you try to pull it back, it will not look nice. Okay?
I will cornrow the back of my hair going through and flow, because this braiding pattern makes the crochet hair to fall out natural without any separation in the middle. But if you do a normal all back cornrows, the hair will look separated when you attach your crochet braids, which makes it difficult to style. So this braiding pattern is the bomb.com. If you want to achieve a fallout crochet braids without any separation in the middle, then try this braiding pattern because it's the best. Don't forget to apply your shine and jam for easy parting. I'll cornrow, then I will attach the hair to the other side, then I'll cornrow. I'll do it through and flow until I reach the top of the hair. So this is how my front is going to look like. Braid it and connect it to the one behind it and braid. So I will do the same pattern all over my front hair. Then I'm going to connect everything to the back and braid all together. I will apply my shine and jam and start connecting all the braids together. So I'll gather all of them, then I'll braid through all the way to the end. So this is the braiding pattern. You can see how I connected all the hairs together. So yes, yeah. So I'm going to apply my oil mist all over my scalp. Then I will massage it. Then I will use my crochet hook to attach the hair to the other hair so that it will look hidden. I have already opened the hair. I got the hair from Amazon. This is how the hair looks like. A twist with a coils in the end. And inside each bundle, you get 22 crochet hairs. And I have 5 packs of the hair. So I will start from the back to crochet my hair.
So this is how you're going to attach it to your hair. So this is the one strand. So you try to open it like this. Try to unravel a little bit. So yeah, then it's already on my finger. I looked it on my finger. And then I'll close it. Then I'll bring it up here. Take it out. Then still unravel it. Then I'll put it in here. Then I'll push. And when making your braids, don't make sure you don't make it too tight. If not, when you attach this, it's going to be too painful on your scalp. So I'll do another one. Then I will loop it, close, push it, take this out. So this is one pack so far. Yeah, one pack. So guys, this is 4 packs now. So yeah, it's full here, it's more full. Yeah. Yeah. 4 packs. So I'm on the last one. So guys, remember when crocheting your hair, if you put your crochet upwards like this, your hair will come up like having these knots on it, like this. But if you put it downwards, it will come out looking like this. Let me show you the back. Yeah. It will come out looking like this. Yeah, I'll show you a picture like this. So it's up to you how you want your braids to look. If you want it to look upwards like this, or if you want it to look downwards. So bear it in mind. So whichever way is good, but sometimes like when it's facing like this up in the front is good, but at the back you can do it downwards, you can do upwards, it doesn't matter. But like when it faces upwards, when you're braiding, you kind of have layers, like having top on top of each one. So bear it in mind. So we're on the last one now, almost finishing. And if you don't want to loop your attach, like if you don't want to open it like this, it's okay. You can hook it first like this, then hook it here. Then pull. So whichever way is easy for you, you can do. So I prefer the 2 of them. So I don't mind. Then you open the attach. Loop this inside. You don't need to knot it twice, okay? Because if you try to knot it more, it will look bulky in the front. So I'll go off camera to see if there is anyone that I need to, where I need to crochet more. So then I ended up taking some. I took one from my hair because I don't want to hurt my edges. But if you like, if you can add more here, and you can add more on your front hair. My edges are already going falling out, so I don't want to complicate more issues. So putting this may make it more tight, and I might lose more hair when I take it down. So I decided to leave this place free, but you can add more braids if you want to. But I'm all right like this. But maybe like because the hair is like kind of too tight now, maybe as they fall, when I'm having new growth, it will not lose. I might add more braids on it, but for now I'm all right. I'll see you guys in the morning. Hello babe. So as you can see, I have used some edge control to lay down my edges, and I've put some few hair accessories on my hair to accessorize it. So yeah, just few of them. So I'm going to use Cream of Nation mousse to control any frizz on my hair. So I'll use a pair of scissors to trim the ends, like any hair sticking around. Just snap it. So guys, one thing with this hair, just be careful because it's getting bigger. In the morning, it was not like voluminous like this. As time goes on, the coils just to volumize, increasing. So just bear it in mind. So guys, I'm going to use my concealer to lighten up the parts areas. So I learned this technique from a YouTuber called Vera Anomnashi. So she's very nice in creating a hairstyle. So she's very good. Make sure to check out her channel. She does amazing hairstyles, and she's a makeup artist as well. So I'll put her link in the info section. So if you want to check her out, and when you do, just tell her that Asanwa sent you. Yes. So I'm using concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin color to brighten up this part. So I'm going to add few by the side here. And this technique is so good. If your pattern is not that clean, you can use your concealer to brighten it up, which is good. Make sure everything is blended very well so it doesn't give like a harsh line. So I'm going to use my hand to like blend everything seamlessly. So nobody will know. They're not going to know unless you tell them. That's it. I will loving this hairstyle. So I made this hairstyle like in a side part, and there is versatile because you can do it like all back like this and wear it like this. So it's here coming by the two sides, and there the middle is at the back, which is good. So, and sometimes you can switch off this side to that side if you feel like this part is getting old, or you want to switch off to another side. So you can make it like this as well. Can you see? And you can make it all back. So if you want it all back, so you can put everything and make it all back. So this is how it's going to look at the back. So when you pack everything, so the back is like this, the hair is so full. So guys, what do you guys think on this hairstyle? So nice, so pretty. I'm in love with this hairstyle. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big like, subscribe, comment, share, and follow me on all social media. And babes, I have a playlist video like this that I'll link in the info section so that you guys can check it out, or you can click on the end screen videos, then it will take you straight to my channel. See you guys on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. Bye guys.